a very good start for us, and I'm very grateful.
Marsha, your house was destroyed by fire. We know you don't have the means of building your house again. You have other family members who were also dislocated, and I'm sure the entire Jamaica would agree that the government should assist.
It was a disaster for us, and I would like to thank the community also to assist us on that day.
The work of the Poor Relief cannot be overstated because it is their effort while we are seeing this building and the handing over of this 2-bedroom unit to the family.
I'm so very grateful for this house.
The new home represents more than just wall and a roof. It symbolizes the firm support of your neighbor, local organization, and our government. Let this new beginning be a reminder that you are not alone and that we stand with you today and always.
We estimate that there are about 6,000 Jamaican households that live in substandard housing conditions, the worst of the worst. If we can replace that with proper housing, then we would have lifted the entire society.
There are 2 more units that are presently under construction, which will be completed in another 8 to 10 weeks, depending on the weather. Cheswick is slated to have 8 indigent housing solutions provided in that community over the next couple of months. So St. Thomas is not a parish that you can say that people forget St. Thomas anymore. This government has ensured that St. Thomas retains its prestige.